Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your DiDi account. To delete your DiDi account, first of all open the DiDi application from your app drawer. After you are signed into your DiDi account, tap on the menu button at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, tap on Edit Personal Info at the top. Now click on Delete Account and then agree to the terms and conditions by tapping on this I have read and agree box at the bottom, and finally click Next. Select a reason why you are trying to delete your account and then click Delete. Click on Delete once again in the pop-up to confirm your decision. Now, in order to confirm, you will need to enter the verification code sent to you via SMS on your mobile device. Enter the code and then your account deletion process will be completed. So that was how quickly and easily you can delete your DiDi account if you no longer want to use the account anymore. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.